Hello and welcome to Crypto Bible. My name is Oliver Tompkins, and in today's episode, we're going to be reading an article which is pretty interesting. Apple co-founder giving us his Bitcoin prediction. But before we get stuck into that, throw me an early like, why not? Get yourself subscribed to Crypto Bible and turn on your notification bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming episodes. And we do news, reviews, and some fantastic interviews with experts in the field of crypto. Right, now you've done all of that, I need to tell you we've got a competition running as well. Check in the show notes below on how you could win £300 worth of Shiba Inu. Yes, please, come on. Now let's jump into CoinMarketCap and see how the market's doing. Okay, we're on CoinMarketCap. Let's check out the top trending coins. We've got PancakeSwap at number 1, Shiba Inu, like our giveaway we're giving away, number 2, and Shiba Doge at number 3. Biggest gainers are COVID Cutter, YFF2 Finance. I was actually going to try and say that as a word, like Yeefy, and then OB Rock Token, number 3. Now the market's been moving a lot, sort of consolidating, going sideways recently. No big movements. We've got a bit of green here this morning. Bitcoin trading above $40,000, 40,461, 4.9% up. ETH up nearly 6%, $2,680 trading. BNB up 3.7%. We've got XRP up. Any XRP bullish people out there, let me know. 2.5%. Solana 5.6%. AVAX, Avalanche 5% up. Then Dots up. Polygon's up. So slight movements. Chainlink is nearly 10% up, 9% up today. Uniswap, the FTX token, Algorand. As you can see, there's a few. Elrond's up 10%. I saw that move pump a little yesterday as well. And Sandbox is up 10% as well. Metaverse play there if you've got it. Right. Few greens then. Let's pop into this news article. Okay, this is from Forbes.com, and it's about the Apple co-founder, Steve Wozniak. He reveals his huge Bitcoin price prediction and a stark crypto warning as Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Luna, Cardano, Solana, and Avalanche Ricochet. So Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices have held their ground even as panic over a fresh China slump sent the Nasdaq into bear market territory. The Bitcoin price has traded sideways since March, bobbing around closely, watched 40,000 per Bitcoin level, which is kind of where it's at today. We just saw that, didn't we, in CoinMarketCap. Meanwhile, other major cryptos, including Ethereum, BNB, and XRP, Cardano and Solana have stagnated, though recent winners Terra Luna and Avalanche has soared. You need to let me know if you got on the Terra Luna before that price went. I mentioned before, I saw it when it was £30 UK GDP, and it's like 70 quid now, even went to 80 quid. Like, wow, ridiculous. Let me know if you did get on that, because I want to congratulate you. I do. So now legendary Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak has said he expects the Bitcoin price to eventually hit $100,000. Now, I speak to a lot of experts out there. I listen to a lot of podcasts. I hear a lot of people saying Bitcoin $100,000. I hear a lot of people saying Ethereum $10,000. Let's be honest. Who thinks that is going to happen this year in 2022? I want to hear from real people in the comments saying, yeah, Oliver, Bitcoin's going to hit 100K. Yeah, Oliver, Ether's going to hit 100K. Or tell me no. Say, no, it's preposterous. At the moment, we're bordering on April, and it's been a bit of a downwards, then sideways move. So no one knows what's going to happen, but you hear a lot of experts, and now we've got Steve Wozniak coming out saying he thinks that too. Saying the interest in crypto is so high. So, and even there's been saying, Elon Musk, I've heard this as well. Elon saying he's not going to sell. He holds Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge, and he's saying he's not planning to sell any of those. And he is absolutely minted. So the fact he's just going to hold on to those, very interesting. So here he is, Steve Wozniak. Doesn't consider himself a Bitcoin investor, but he does have some. And his words, right? These are his words. I think Bitcoin is going to go to $100,000, says Wozniak, speaking on the Wild Ride with Steve-O podcast last week. I just don't know where you get that feeling. I can't put any mathematics to it. I just really feel from all of the interest around that the interest in crypto is so high that it's going to reach that 100K mark. So Bitcoin and crypto prices have rocketed higher over the last 18 months, soaring alongside global stock markets and commodity prices that have been buoyed by record low interest rates and unprecedented, it's a long word, hang on, unprecedented, I know this word, unprecedented, yeah, I'm sorry about that, stimulus measures put into place to offset the economic damage of lockdowns and the coronavirus pandemic. The Bitcoin price climbed to almost $70,000 per Bitcoin late last year before crashing back, with its market capitalization topping $1.2 trillion, up from just $200 billion 2 years ago. Ethereum and its major rivals, BNB, Solana, Cardano, Ada Gang where you at, and Avalanche have also seen huge prices rise, while payment coins XRP and Terra Lunas have surged too. The combined crypto market cap touched $3 trillion. I remember this late last year going, this is mad. And then all of a sudden, we just lost like half of that. Late last year, before collapsing to just over half that as the floor fell out of Ethereum, BNB, Sol, Cardano, and meme coins like Doge. Wozniak earlier warned over the future of some smaller cryptos that he thinks has a track record of being rip-offs, okay, and called Bitcoin the only one that's pure gold mathematics. His words: there are so many cryptocurrencies that come out now. Everybody has a way to create a new one. And you have a celebrity star with it. That's true. You do get a lot of influencers who just take a little bit of a backhand, a little bit of a payment. Sometimes they don't know what they're promoting. They don't know what cryptos they're promoting. They don't know the technology. They're just taking the easy payout. We saw Kim Kardashian get in trouble. We don't know if she finally got sued, and other basketballers, although she's not a basketballer, but you catch my drift. She's a celeb. Now, it seems like they're just collecting a bunch of money from people who want to invest at the very earliest stage when it's worth pennies. Wozniak told Insider last week in an interview, suggesting people often buy the coins simply because they're blindfolded by the potential windfalls. They just fold. Alongside the huge Bitcoin and crypto gold rush this past 18 months, world-famous celebrities from Paris Hilton, Kim Kardashian to Matt Damon have lent their names to niche coins and crypto exchanges suddenly flush with cash. We spoke a little bit about Kim K just then, didn't we? Now, in October, Wozniak talked up Bitcoin's mathematical purity. During an interview with Yahoo Finance, Bitcoin isn't run by some company. It's just mathematically pure. And I believe nature over humans always. I believe nature over humans always. Okay, interesting. So, Wozniak's Bitcoin price prediction echoes that of Anthony Scaramucci. We hear his name a lot. Donald Trump's short-lived White House Director of Communications, who said he expects the Bitcoin price will soar to $100,000 within 2 years, ultimately climbing to $500,000. I think Bitcoin will have 100 million plus wallets, and it could be an inflation hedge, but that's a good 5 to 8 years away. Scaramucci, the founder of hedge fund Skybridge Capital, told Magnify Media, adding, it would be a mistake to underinvested or not invested in cryptocurrency. Do you think a lot of these big time names, celebrities, co-founders of organizations are putting out this to the media saying it's going to go to 100K to try and create a bit of manipulation for investors, new investors, to go, hey, you know what? I'm going to buy Bitcoin. All of these people keep singing off the same hymn sheet, saying Bitcoin, 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 100K. I can pick it up for $40,000. Are they trying to, is this a manipulation thing? Or do you genuinely believe this? Maybe you do. This isn't me talking. This is just what one might say. One might say, is this manipulation? One might say, no, actually, Bitcoin is the king of all crypto. You know, it holds over 40% share of the market. But we hear the same thing. 100K Bitcoin, 100K Bitcoin predictions. You know, are you going to get on board with this? I need to tell me, let me know. I think Bitcoin will have 100 million plus wallets. Yeah. So last year, Scaramucci told Skybridge Capital, no, actually, his Skybridge Capital, a New York-based fund of funds, launched the Skybridge Bitcoin Fund. Okay, with $310 million in assets under management at the time, calling Bitcoin still in its early innings. People could keep saying this. People keep saying, you know, we are at early adoption stage. I think that is. Let's go to the final thought of the day. People keep saying, aren't they, constantly? I speak to a lot of experts, and guys, check it out. If you want to hear directly from the horse's mouth, as we say, from an expert, which there are many on our channel on Crypto Bible. Check out the playlist, Oliver and Experts. A lot of them say the same thing. We're in our crypto's in its early infancy stage. If there was a curve, it'd be sort of innovation, early adoption, late adoption, and so forth. And we're still in early adoption phase, they say. So we're hearing a lot of chat from experts, predictions, Bitcoin, Ethereum, saying they're going to reach these numbers. The market at the moment is very much sideways. What's going to happen? Nobody knows. But we have got these people, you know, looking at TA charts, experts saying they know, looking at patterns of the past, which we can do. But does it tell you the future? No, it doesn't. So make sure you do your due diligence, guys, and, you know, buy cryptos you genuinely believe in. And on that, let me know in the comments what you think about this article today. Don't forget, throw me a like, get yourself subscribed, turn on your notification bell icon, ding, so you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes. And check out our competition if you want to win some free crypto, £300 worth of sheep, down in the show notes below. As always, thanks for joining me for today's episode. I'll see you on the next one.